Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Um, if you like the content before we get started, just go ahead, like, and subscribe. I'm getting better at that, huh? Um, and let's just get started. Let's get into it. I'm going to make a real quick video because not a whole lot has changed. So if you remember from my last video, we were looking for a sell signal here on the Q trend indicator, and you'll see we're still waiting for that last indicator. Um, we should get it. I don't know, probably sometime maybe later this afternoon, but I would not go short until then. Um, a couple other things. So if you go to the 2 hour chart, you'll see this is like icing on top, right? So we're also setting up here on the 2 hour chart. You can see with the RSI and the MACD. Hey, what's up? And obviously we are also at the double lines on the wave trend indicator. And then also, just want to show you the 4 hour chart. So this hasn't, our MACD hasn't crossed um, bearish just yet, and we don't have a sell signal on the wave trend just yet, but you could see our RSI divergence indicator is at extremes. So that's going to be something to watch too. So actually, let's go to the daily chart. If you remember from a few videos back, I said that I could see a bounce coming here because the daily chart was bullish. This was back probably about a week, maybe almost 2 weeks ago now. It was when wherever this green dot. So yeah, it looks like almost 2 weeks ago now. Um, I said watch for a little bounce here. So when's the bottom going to fall out? So I think uh, as soon as this daily chart uh, flips to bearish, is when I think things are really going to start to go south. But until then, we could push a little bit higher. But again, so if you again, we're just waiting on this hourly, and you can see we've just been pushing higher on this bullish move. We've been at extremes on wave trend for a while, and our MACD crossed bearish almost 2 days ago. That's why we don't trade. We don't follow just one or two indicators. We want the at least the three, the MACD, the wave trend, and then we're waiting for our Q trend sell here. So as soon as we get that sell signal on the hourly chart, I would say that would be our cue to enter into puts. And then you'll see probably the 2 hour follows suit, maybe the next day or hours later. Um, and the 4 hour will probably do the same. But again, watch that 1 hour chart, and that'll tell you that'll give you the cue exactly of when to enter those puts. And again, as soon as you see that happen, you'll see we have already crossed bearish on the MACD. We're at extremes on the RSI, obviously, and you can see we're starting to turn down. So we get a little red dot here, and we get a sell signal on the Q trend, then that will be our cue to go short. And not until then, don't try and force it, and we should be fine. So, anyways, just wanted to do a quick video. One thing I will add. So we're almost done. I have a custom made indicator that is being made right now. We're putting the finishing touches up on it. And I'm also going to do something. What I'm trying to do is make it easier for you guys. Make it as simple as possible. So you don't have to think. So it's just, if I can put three things into one and say, okay, this is a buy signal like we're doing with this indicator, then that makes it easier on you. Another thing I'm going to do, I just kind of came up with this idea earlier, but so how I say if our hourly chart is on a buy, we only play calls. If our hourly chart is on a sell, we only play puts, and that's worked out great for us, right? So I'm thinking of just having like a channel or something more for day traders where if you if we are on a buy, then we have like a green light, and if we're on a sell, then we have like a red light. So it's just something you can quickly look at and say, oh, we're only playing puts right now, or we're only playing calls right now. So something quick, easy to look at, that'll make things easier for all of us. So, anyways, that's all I got. If you again, like and subscribe to the content if you want more, and I'll keep pushing it out. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.